How to fix maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok. In order to fix this sort of issue, you could follow this simple method. So for that, first thing first, what you want to do is go to the profile, and after which you want to go ahead and tap the try bar icon. As soon as you go to the try bar icon, click on settings and privacy. Here you want to go ahead and click on free of space, after which you want to go ahead and clear the cache. So click on clear, and if you're sure about it, just tap the clear button, and after which you want to exit out of the TikTok application and close it completely. Now try log into your account, and this should be able to fix the issue all at once. If this isn't the case, then you could also try updating the application. So for that, you have to go to the Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in TikTok and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If you need to update, click the update button and restart your device. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, you could also try reinstalling the TikTok application, or else contacting the support team and letting know about this issue. So these were the few methods in order to fix maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.